Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Technology, and today in this video tutorial I will show you guys how to remove recommended files from your start menu. So you just need to follow me. So first of all, you can right click on your recommended files and click on remove from list, like one by one. Or if you want to disable the recommended files from here, then you just need to go to your settings. If you want to turn off it, then just go to personalization, and here you will get on your right side corner start option. So click over there, and here you have to click on show recent opened items in start, jump list and file explorer. So here is the recommended files. As you can see, if I'll turn off this option, it will not show over there. So I hope this tutorial will really help for you, and please don't forget to click on the subscribe button, like button and share button. And if you have any queries or questions, then comments down below. I will see you guys in the next video. Till then, bye bye, take care.